All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Transit. It is the T250 mid-roof with 21,000 miles. White with the gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim or steel wheel. And your tire thread here is just at 6/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks okay. I don't know what's going on here with this here. I don't know if it's paint work or what's going on here, but there's something happening here. There, you can see it there on the reflection. I don't know what it is. It seems like somebody scraped it and then painted over it. I'm not sure. Some of these are scratches that I touched up, but some of them are I couldn't tell you. Almost looks like clear was taken off of some of it. I don't know. But if it's been painted, it's going to be substandard. I'm just letting you guys know you're going to have to paint this crap if you want it. If you want to. If it's going to be for construction, I would say to leave it the hell alone. All right? Your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread here is, for some insane reason, it is 6/32 as well. All right, the rest looks good. Your moldings look good. All right, you got your AM/FM. You got your power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors right here. You're gonna need a new striker here, guys, so the door doesn't overextend like it is right now. All right, here's your front passenger seat. Front driver's seat. No tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a vinyl seating with an armrest. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Hop in here. All right. Turn it on for you guys. Got your AM/FM CD player. AM/FM stereo system. No CD player, guys. Your AC controls right down below. You got some cup holders there. You got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, it's got 21,602 miles. And it does have a tire pressure light on. Turn the lights so you guys can see that they work. All right, coming around. Rear bumper. It's got a heavy scratch. Actually, is that a crack? It's a crack. About 5 inches. Got a crack on the bumper here. About 2 inches. Seems to have a dent up there. Boom, boom. A little dent here on the door. Boom. The rest of it looks pretty good. Has a little button here. You touch it, it'll swing out. Likewise over here. Pull it, then swing out. Boom, this is what your cargo area looks like. Very nice. Looks pretty clean, guys. All right. These are 16, so you got the old school lights. They're not the LED. The LED, this thing would just be bright, thump. Be awesome. It's awesome. All right, your for one of your doors, the panel looks good. And it's got a speaker on this panel. Good. Good thing. Good thing. This panel looks good as well. Boom. All right. This one here also has a cracking, about 2 inches. Boom. All right. Coming around. This quarter, this seems to have a dent here, crease here, and a dent up there. Boom, can it be seen? Boom, it can. What else? Rest looks good. This rear passenger steel wheel. That's at 5/32. This door here looks good. You seem to have a little dinghy there. Little dinghy here, another one here, heavy scratch here. All right, this is your side bump. Your side cargo area looks good. Your step pad looks good. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. All right, tire thread is at 8/32. We come back here. My man got my ladder out. Check out the situation. All right. So, got a dent here. As you can see, it's a dented upside here. All right, so the whole side here is dented. This here has a dent. We got a few dents coming around there. This is dented. That's dented over there. Look it down. Yep, a dent here, a dent there, and some more dents over here, and one right down there. Right there. See them. You see them both right there. 1, 2. Alright. We got one more right there. And then you got these here. Over here. Alright. About it, guys. From there. Alright. Other than those dents there, we look good. All right. And yes, we have a dent following here like this. And on this side here, now that I'm really looking at it, from the roof it looks good. There it's dented like that, little cove. All right, guys. Other than that, everything is working. Your lights are working. Car looks great. You're gonna do some paint work if you want. If it's gonna go for construction, I would say don't worry about it. Guys, once again, this is the 2016 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 21,000 miles. Guys, if you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.